Nani Tarot here, and we are back with another deck to unbox and review. This one is an animal deck, and I love animal decks. You will come to find that. Messages from your animal spirit guides. And these are oracle cards. And it's by Stephen D. Farmer and illustrated by D. Sturgis. And it is a 44 card deck and guidebook set. And this is actually another Hay House deck. Animal spirit guides are spirit helpers in an animal form who can provide guidance for questions you have about any aspect of your life. In this deck of 44 oracle cards created by Stephen D. Farmer, you will find clear and concise messages from each of the spirit animals represented that will offer you sensible advice on whatever question you pose. The enclosed, easy-to-follow guidebook provides detailed instructions to help you immediately give accurate readings for yourself and others, as well as elaborations on the initial message from each animal spirit guide. Okay. Now there is the book. Okay, so let's get this guy out. The book is very nice, full color, nice matte, nice feel to it. And Rizzo came to help us today. You gonna read the book, honey? So talking about storing your cards, prepping your cards, general meanings, associations of each one, which is really nice. It does have a picture of the card, but it is black and white, nothing crazy. And then you have a few pages in the back for notes, which I do like. Now, let's see. We don't have any spreads in this, but typically with oracles, they don't contain any spreads, but you can use just about any spread for oracles you do tarot. Okay, now let's get the deck out. And again, it has one of these cool little paper bands. Let's get that guy off of there. Rizzo, you want to help with this? You're good at chewing up papers. Here you go. You want papers? Come here. Come here. Get the papers. There you go. Papers. Grr. She's no fun. So, as usual, we will go card by card. And the first card is Blue Heron. Make a stand for what you believe in and do what feels right in spite of any judgment or disapproval from others. Now let's take a look at the back. Oh, it actually has a blue heron on the back. Nice. These are beautiful matte cards. Thickness is wonderful. This tends to be a Hay House normal, where it's a nice little mat. They slide easily. They're big, but they still fit in your hand comfortably. So, put that guy in the box. BOAR, which obviously is a pig. Face your problems head on with confidence and courage, and you will emerge victorious. Okay, Camel. Trust that you have the resources to get through the challenges before you. Now, I love these cards because they can apply to everybody. Everybody obviously loves animals. If you don't love animals, just get off my channel. Everybody loves animals and can relate to them. And we all know that they're guides for us, that they're something to strive to be more like. Let's be more like animals than humans sometimes. Cardinal, which has a lot of signifiers. The polarities of your spiritual pursuits and physical pleasures are out of balance. so do whatever is necessary to bring them back into equilibrium. Cat. It's time to strike out on your own and relinquish your overdependency on others. That's perfect for a cat. Independence Central. Chameleon. Stay in the background and adapt to the situation rather than being conspicuous and attempting to direct the course of events. Cheetah. Get clear. Stop, Rizzo is chewing on my ear. Get clear on your intention, stay focused, and move quickly to achieve your goal. That's a wonderful message. Chimpanzee. Can I read the card? Use both your intuition and your intellect to solve the problem or get answers to your question. Condor. You're too enmeshed in this situation, so step back and see the bigger picture before making any decisions or taking actions. Which is interesting for a condor because it's a bird of prey and they usually just leap into the situations. Well, he's saying step back, kind of watch, see what's going on. Dog. Your loyalty and faithfulness is misplaced by serving too many masters. I really love that message. Elk. Stand tall and maintain your dignity no matter what, and others will treat you with the respect that you deserve. Emu. And I love when the deck has animals that aren't the normal animals that are in decks. I mean, it has an emu. How many other decks have an emu? This is a good time to go on a new adventure. Falcon. Act on the opportunity that's before you and commit to it without equivocation. Goose. Take time to rest and recuperate rather than continuing your striving. Gorilla. Take time to listen compassionately to those you love, especially your family members. Psst. Grouse. Express yourself through rhythm and movement by drumming and dancing. Do you like the grouse, Riz? Rizzo likes that card. Honeybee. Let compassion and forgiveness be your top priority in this situation. Now, I love that the animals are very detailed, but they're also not just a picture. It's an artist rendering. And this is another deck that's slightly watercolory, but all the bright, vibrant colors within as the background just really make it pop. Humpback whale. Music is essential to your healing and well-being, whether singing, playing an instrument, or listening. This is a wonderful card to remind people to just stop, sit back, and enjoy some music. It's very good therapy. Kiwi, another animal that